Hi, my friends. My name's Justine. I'm the Mermaid seamstress, and welcome to my very first vlog. So in addition to mermaiding, I am just an all-around water woman. I love being underwater. So what better way to be underwater than to take a scuba class? So I just finished my PADI open water certification class, and we're going to go diving this weekend, which is really exciting. We're gonna go and road trip up to Square Lake in Stillwater, Minnesota, which is really cool, but it's also going to be really cold. But I wanted to kind of start a vlog for you guys, showing you a little bit about what this experience is gonna be like, because I'm very excited. I have been scuba diving before in the Bahamas under the supervision of a dive master, but I have never gone. So right now it is Friday afternoon. We're going to be diving on Saturday and Sunday. So tonight I'm driving people over to our instructor's shop to pick up some equipment for them. I have most of my equipment just from previous years of diving, but other people need things, so we're gonna go and pick up that. So let me show you a little bit about what I am packing for this dive. So right here we have practically all of the stuff that I'm packing. The only things missing from this pile are my fins, which are in my car still, and as I said, all the stuff that I need to pick up still at the shop, which is my BCD, my regulator, and my weight belt. So my first layer is probably going to be just my regular bikini top and bottoms, but over that I'm going to be wearing a dive skin. This is just a Lycra dive skin. It's by Tides. It's really pretty colors. It's long sleeved. It's just going to provide a little bit, it's going to make it easier to get my wetsuit on, and it's going to be more modest than just a two-piece. And it's going to be a little bit warmer than a regular one piece. So I'm going to wear that. And then over that I have a 5mm dive skin. This is the Thermoprene Pro by Henderson in a women's size. One thing I love about Henderson is that they have suits that can fit plus size. So this is an 18. It's 5mm, so it's pretty thick. Other people are wearing a two-piece, so they'll have pants and a top. I'm wearing a one-piece because I'm bringing my own stuff. So we'll see how that goes. My other exposure protection equipment, I have neoprene socks, which I can wear with my 5mm boots. These are by Cressy. These are really good. These help protect your feet from any sharp things on the bottom. They're basically full-soled. So they protect your feet from sharp things on the bottom. They also keep your feet warm because they are also neoprene. And if I need an extra layer, I have a 1.5mm socks. So I can put those on underneath. My toes get cold. This is my dive hood. It's also 5mm dive hood. It goes over my face, and then this one's got a bib, so it just sits. It comes down. Comes down to my neck, and then it sits on my shoulders, and I can zip up my wetsuit over it. It's by Neo Sport. It's just a simple dive hood. I've got my gloves. These are also 5mm, and then I've got my bag, which is mesh, so that anything that's wet and dripping can dry a little bit easier. And then over here, of course, I have my mask. This mask is by Cressy as well. I can't remember what kind it is, and you'll see it tomorrow, but that's what it is. And then my snorkel and a hair saver, which has the Kraken on it. It's really cool. I have a ton of dry bags here. This is where all of my smaller accessories are going to go, like my hood and my gloves and stuff. I've got my camera equipment here, all packed up, my GoPro, my extra batteries and things like that, so that I can film for you guys some underwater footage. I've also got a super suit for my GoPro. These are my dry clothes, so fleeces, extra pair of pants, etc. I have an extra dry bag here, which can fit my wetsuit and my dive skin in. And then of course I've got my PADI logbook and some extra accessories like toothpaste and anti-fog. So yeah. Good morning, guys. Sorry it's so loud. I've got my tea boiling. It is currently 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm already running a little bit late, but I've got my dive skin on, and I am packing up my lunch and my bag and my warm clothes and my camera stuff to go out on a day of diving, and I am so excited. So yeah, that is this morning, and I will take you with me. Let's go. So I am here. I am picking up, or rather meeting up with some of my friends, and we're gonna all go in our instructor's, what I thought was a van, but turns out it's not a van, it's an RV. It's really ridiculous. A beautiful sunrise over there. So yeah, everything from this guy, from our instructors from the 80s. So I just want to show you this real quick. Do you see this thing? It is ridiculous. Maybe it's from the 70s, I don't know. But it's hilarious. All right, let's go. Hey guys, so we just got done with our first dive and it went pretty well. We went for about 25 minutes-ish and max depth around 25 feet. If you can see it through the trees. I'll bring you down hopefully and you can see it. I got a little footage on the GoPro. I'm excited to review that. It's not too bad out here. Actually, I'm wearing my wetsuit still. It's about 43 degrees outside. The sun's out, fortunately. And there's quite a bit of wind, but the water temperature was really, really cold. Our instructor said it was about 60 degrees. I think it's closer to 50 personally. We're going to take a break, have lunch, and then, yeah, and then we're gonna go for our second dive. So I'll take you along. So we just got back, or actually we got back a little bit ago. I've already showered and put my stuff away. I hung up my suits in the bathroom to put away. I've got my ratty on my shoulder because I'm really tired and it's good for cuddles. Yeah, and I'm just starting to pack my stuff for tomorrow. So we've got one more day. My lips were super chapped, so I put some Carmex on it. I've moisturized my face. The water was really, really cold. So it was like 53 degrees air temperature, and then surface temperature of the water was about 60 degrees, and bottom temperature was about the same. So we only went around 25 feet deep, which is not too bad. Yeah, not too bad. And we did 2 dives. Each dive was only about 25 minutes. So it was really short, and then we came back. It's about 5 o'clock now, so we were only out from about 9. We got there at 9, and then we got back into the van at like 3 o'clock. So it was really good, really good. So stick around for part 2. That'll be tomorrow's day of diving. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to vlog more in the future. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to go over and follow me on social media. I don't know if you guys know this, but I have an Instagram where I post a lot of really, really cool pictures and a whole bunch of fun stuff. And a lot of sneak peeks. So follow me on Instagram at the Mermaid Seamstress. I also have a Twitter at Mermaid Seams and a Tumbler at the Mermaid Seamstress as well. So all of the links to those are also in the description box in case you didn't catch them. But yeah, so like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in part 2. Bye, fresh friends. Mwah.